I'm going to guide you on how to send photos on WhatsApp without losing quality. If you find this useful, please consider to subscribe and to like the video. Now, once you have entered your chat and you want to send a photo without losing its quality, you are just going to tap on that line beside the camera icon. Then you will go to Documents. Then it will land you here. Now you are going to choose from gallery. Then you will choose the photo that you want to send. Tap on it. Then you can write the message that you want to write. Here's the photo. Then tap on send. Then send. Then send. So by doing so, you'll be able to send photos on WhatsApp without losing the quality of the photo. I hope this was useful. If it was, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.